Oh, you thought I was done.
Mr. Gadget is back. Man, the guru is back. There you go.
It's Robin, the body language guru.
Nagavelli. Now listen to me. This is your invitation right now to subscribe. We have 71,000 subscribers. Look at that shit. 71,000. We're going viral. Now this video right here, I'm about to show y'all how to make a girl obsessed with you. I'm talking about like, bro. Now
Beware.
when they become obsessed with you, girls by default think by emotion, right? It is what it is, right? But you can make it work for you in a good way. Now, what that being said,
Beware.
once they become obsessed with you, there's no spell to
Reverse this.
They are obsessed with you until they're not. It's up to them to not be obsessed with you anymore. So take this advice
with your own safety in mind.
Because there's some girls that have done some crazy fucking shit because they were so obsessed. This video right here is about to show y'all what y'all not doing. Y'all not doing this, and I know you're not doing this because y'all right here in this video between 18 and 24, and you're not subscribed. You're literally clicking on shit for free. You are a grunt. You're a Snagavelli grunt. You subscribe. Come on, subscribe. 71,000 subscribers. That being said, let's get right into this shit. This is the smoothest on YouTube right here. He's about to chose step by step. Look, listen to what this girl says right here. I already seen this 10 seconds right here. Ready? Look what this girl says. The video is casually grabbing my crush's neck to see her reaction. Gone right. All right, let's get right into this shit.
You just be giving the eye contact. I'm not used to that.
There you go. I'm already giving game already from the, what is this video, like 2 minutes in? I'm already giving you that game. Look what she says. Listen to her. Girls really be telling you that truth right in front of you. That's so oblivious to it. Girls be telling you what they want obliviously right in your face. Look what they said. Listen. Listen to what she said. Listen, bro.
You just be giving the eye contact. I'm not used to that.
Not used to that. Oh my god, bro. Listen. Snagavelli, please listen. This, what I'm about to show you is how to snag bitches. Like this will literally take girls from other guys. Now, you shouldn't be doing that because it can get you in a bad position because these simps will really kill you over her. Like if you take a guy's bitch, that guy will really gather so much animosity for you
that he would want to kill you
because he feels like a bitch. He feels like you just bitched him. So do that at your own cautious. Do that at your own fucking safety. Now, with that being said, you have to do stuff that girls are not used to. What that means is
less complimenting
when you're flirting with her. Stop complimenting her so much. You're so beautiful. You're so pretty. Oh my gosh, your eyes are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love that. Stop complimenting them. Cause you know what?
They're used to that.
It's like when you guys nut. Yeah, used to. Yeah. It's not. Yeah, it's a second nature thing to y'all. Y'all over it at this point. Y'all done it so much. It's like I say, it's like giving a billionaire $1 million, right? They're like, oh, okay, cool. Another million out of my billion. You know, they're so used to it. They're so desensitized that once you give her a compliment, they're like, oh, thank you. That's it. They're so over it. So what you have to do is you have to give spark emotion because girls are emotion driven. Okay, spark emotion in them. Spark emotion that they don't feel often. So what she said right there, eye contact. I don't get that often. Start giving your crush eye contact. Now don't give her like a circular like. You know, give her some seductive eye contact. Like I'm not scared of your eye contact. Because that's one thing y'all don't do when y'all approach. When you approach your girl, give her eye contact. Because if you're walking up to her and you're like looking down, all nervous and shit, she reads your energy before you even speak a word. See, a girl looks at you to see how you're coming at her, to see if she should be cautious or not. That's one of her flight or fight responses. To see, when the guy's coming up to her, they see, okay, is he coming up to me crazy? Because if he is, okay, I have to get out of here. So if you come up to the girl all confident, looking her in the eyes, not in no fucking serial killer way, she's gonna be like, okay, this guy's confident. I fucking love that already. He's already, a mental green box gets checked off in her head. So that is number one. Give her fucking eye contact. Like when you're talking to her, give her eye contact. Now listen to number two.
I'm not used to that either.
Now obviously don't fucking choke your shit like that. You're not fucking you're not Jason. It's not Friday the 13th. You're not gonna beat her ass, right? Everything has to be confident. You do like to know that their man is dominant. They like to know their man's an alpha. They like to know their man is in control.
Not controlling, in control. Listen to me.
So By the way, don't do this to a fucking girl you just randomly meet. You don't cold approach her, be like, give her eye contact while you're choking her. Don't do that.
Yeah, she getting bold. I'm not shut up.
Damn. Look, she loves that shit. Bro, she loves that shit. Look at her, look at her. Let's skip the fucking cringe ass intro. I fuck with you, Wavy, but I'm sorry. I have to skip all this shit. Wait.
So yeah, that's where we met, man. How you been?
W Wavy in the comments. W Wavy in the comments. Come on, W Wavy in the comments.
I can't look at you.
I get nervous.
You gotta make it nervous like
Please
this.
don't look at them. I mean, if that
Eye
was-
contact and assertiveness. Look what he's about to do, bro. In her head right now, she's like, "Fuck me already." She is just like everything he's doing now. He knows it's turning her on. To get in a girl's pants, you have to mentally arouse them. They're not like us guys, where we don't have to be mentally aroused to fuck her. If you can get her visually fucking you in her head, you can get in her pants
Way easier.
You understand? So learn how to find a way to turn her on
Mentally.
because if you can turn her on mentally, once you try to pull a move on her and see if she wants to, if she's with the fucking, she's with that, you know, like those activities, she's more down to do it because she already mentally fucked you. If you can mentally fuck her, you can physically fuck her even easier.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna talk about what we're gonna do. We're gonna set up.
There you go. So what he did right there is he gave her a whole bunch of pressure and then released the pressure. That's why he left right there. That's very smart. This guy is very fucking good. Look,
If that was me, come.
look, gave her OD pressure. Give her pressure like I'm here, I'm present. Like giving her present, I'm present pressure. She felt the presence.
Alright, y'all.
You release the pressure. All that she has right now is herself and her thoughts on how she felt about that. All that feeling that he just spiked in her, he just left a feeling in her, and he just left her. Like that's an
Abundance mindset move.
right there.
So we're gonna talk about what we're gonna do. We're gonna set up and stuff.
Very fucking smart. You guys would never catch that because it was so subtle.
Alright, y'all. We in between. This is the last.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro.
Cause what is
Hey, I like.
Wait, what did you say?
Alright, y'all. We in between. This is the last. There, she folding right now. She ain't.
Oh,
We gonna see though, man. Hey, I like the vlog too, man. Right now, this is what goes on behind the scenes.
cause what is
What is it? You and me.
casual flirting. You notice how he didn't give her a compliment yet. This guy is really fucking good.
or what?
Man. Hey, wait till the camera cut. Hey, wait till we finish this video, y'all. Talking about what? I'm saying that's what you want to do. It could be anything.
I don't hold you. I just got a spike in my back, bro. I just got some back pain. You ever drink some cold ass water and just give you some pain, like the water is stabbing the fuck out you? I feel like Jason beating my shit right now.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Hey yo, not like that, not like that, not like that. I can't laugh because it hurts. Hey yo.
It's okay, y'all. I've been having people stuck from time to time. It's okay. So if you're not stuck, then what you is?
Eye contact again.
I should be getting nervous.
Look. Bro, he is so good. Look, there's no pressure on her throat. There's literally no pressure. Don't fucking choke her shit out. Unless she's some fucking, like, what is this shit called? When she's like, wants to get fucked up. Like, you just start stabbing the shit.
So that's me. You're hard working, man. So that's me.
She's not used to that eye contact. She can't give it back. Look, he's trying to give eye contact and she can't do it. Look, she can't do it.
It's so. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, she can't deal with that eye contact. You notice how she just looking everywhere but there? She's like a dog. You ever see try to give a dog eye contact? The dog's like everywhere but in your face.
I get so nervous. It's with anybody, bro. Somebody look me dead in my face.
See what I'm saying? You don't have to be attractive for these tactics. I'm telling you don't have to be attractive. Girls are not used to eye contact because all these guys are so scared to give eye contact. They always are looking down, looking mad nervous, trying to fix their clothes, bro, become that guy that she's now getting eye contact from. She's gonna start looking at you like, whoa, okay, this guy is
A different breed. I like different.
That's what the girls love, different experiences.
You
So,
know what
wait,
you're
tell me
doing
if I'm
too.
coming like right here.
I'm not used to that.
I'm not used to that.
I'm not used to that either.
I'm not used to that.
Is that on?
Oh yeah, we vlogging. Y'all telling you vlogging.
I'm convinced, man. Wavy, you are the smoothest on YouTube. That's it. There's Gio. Stop saying that, Gio. You're not smooth, Gio. You're just Gio. You're just Gio at this point. You're Giovanni. Fuck out of here. You're the whole name. You're Giovanni, my guy. This is smooth wavy at this point. There's only one person that can be the smoothest. In fact, what's that other guy name? Miami? Miami the Kid? You're smoother. Miami the Kid, you might be in second place, bro. Because this guy right here, he is so. The reason he's so smooth is because he's subtle. It's not like it's so like everything is very good tradition. You ever seen an edit where it's like goes to a different scene very smoothly? Look how he does it. He went from eye contact to choking her, a light choke, like a very flirt choking, so subtly. It was not like a okay, I'm gonna look at you. Now I'm gonna do this. Right? It's like a being subtle with the girl is the best thing you could do. But I'm getting a chest pain. I might just fall and fucking get a cardiac arrest right here.
Must have been a lot of weight yesterday. So it gets over now. So I'm right here.
I got bit.
You got bit. What do you got bit? Dog.
Trying to make it so normal.
What? How you get bit by a dog in the crib? Your dog.
No.
How you get bit by a dog? Oh
My
yeah,
girl
you're
could
done.
tell. She ain't
You're
like
done.
it. She ain't like
I'm biting. Guys, if you're a dog, what am I saying? Guys, if I was a dog and you pull my tail, I'm biting your shit all the way off. You better be lucky your thumb don't goes off. Like I'm biting your whole thumb off. If I was a dog and you pulling my tail,
that. To be bit.
It's like someone grabbing you by your hair.
I'm not gonna bite him. I thought she, like, you know, you getting some pull. Like, you think
Oh, you mean
this way.
that's fine. Something else fine too. But look, y'all, we gon'
what do you say? What do you say?
something else fine too.
Bro, I can't hear you. Let's put the closed captions on.
But look, that's fine. Something else fine too. But look, y'all, we gon'
I can't make it out. I don't know what he's saying. But he said some slick shit.
we gonna go ahead. I mean, I got in the vlog right now, but I'm gonna turn y'all off. We gonna vibe a little bit. You gotta get it though. You gotta grab it.
Girls, can y'all lean for my charger? It's over the bed. Can y'all lean for the chargers over the bed? Looking ass.
Hey man, DC dirty game, man. It was thirst stab, man.
Shut up.
So y'all, she getting bold. Shut up. Man,
Right there. Right there, you took her soul. This is the moment her soul was taken. Her soul is with Jesus. Like you ever seen those memes where you literally see the soul like leave the body? Like her soul is taken right now. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her.
y'all, when she talking her jump, y'all put in her place. Let her know who that is.
Let her know who daddy is. Yo, Wavy, what's good with you, bro?
Y'all put in her place. Let her know who that is.
Release the pressure. You know he's perfect at releasing pressure. Wavy. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, bro, you got that. You got that, bro.
Anything after the vlog?
She had no problems with any of that. Though she thought so many things right there. There's so many things that she had in her head right there. Look. There's so many things in her head right there. Yo, I already know they did some disgusting shit that night. Some kinky ass, tie the belt around her throat ass.
But I ain't lie, it is getting late, y'all. I got practice tomorrow. And I think I should bring her. It's really unheard of to play her card. You know, cause my little friend be busy, but we gonna make time for real.
Bro, you need to enunciate.
But we gonna make time for real.
You'll make time for a real one, okay.
Walk it to your oh. And you gonna get it, you ain't gonna give me a hug. And you gonna better not. Alright. And you gonna better not. Alright.
Yo, Wavy, you're learning from me, buddy. Let's go. He's Snaggavelli. Always grab her ass. If she really fucking with you like that, once you give her a hug, you gotta squeeze her left cheek, not her right, because her left cheek is always fucking neglected. They always go for the right. Give her left cheek feeling, because that sparks a different feeling in her head. Left cheek grab.
Looking at me like that.
I'm just looking at you. I can't look at you. Why make you nervous?
The exact reason got me nervous.
Why? Drive safe. You know, shoot me a text when you get there. And don't speed.
You gotta say that. You gotta say all the shit right there. He said, because that shows that you give a fuck about her.
Okay, something is open.
Nah, she got the gat.
She trying to heat, man. You shivering. I'm trying not to think about me too much. Alright.
Demon.
You feeling like a maze? It's a 30 game.
You're a
can't
proud
tell y'all what I
Snagavellian.
think, but what y'all boys be getting the crib, man.
Nah.
Y'all.
Mission successful. Good shit. Mission successful. You're getting ranked up. You're going up in the ranks in the Snagavellians. May say.
That'll wrap it the vid. Look, if you something a little different, let me know what y'all think. You feel me?
That's a great video. All right. With that being said, I literally just showed y'all those steps right there. Look, she's obsessed with him. She's literally obsessed with him. You know what I'm saying? Eye contact is so fucking key and it's so simple, right? And then you have to. I'm not saying you have to give her fucking grab her throat. You have to give her signs of being dominant and assertive. That is one sign of it. Like if you over here grabbing her throat, very gentle, obviously, like very flirty, like a very sturdy grab. That is a way of showing assertiveness. You can show ways of assertiveness different ways. Maybe she gets out of pocket and you check her. You're telling her, I'm not playing that shit. You could check her, right? If she tries to step over one of your boundaries just to see how you would react, you check her. Girls really love to step on your boundaries or try to run through your boundaries to see how you would react if she tries to play with you, to see if you would check her. They would see if you're a pushover. They see if you're a simp. So let's say one of your boundaries is you cannot be talking to this guy, and she understands that, and she says, okay, one day she will be talking to that guy to see how you would react. Now that's cheating at that point, but there's other boundaries that you can make, and she would intentionally go through them and step over them to see how you would react, to see if you are that man. Because if you're not, then she gets turned off. But that being said, it's
RAWBYN could have been fucking raw.